Hey guys, welcome to our first video on plotting geospatial data with Python. I am Himani and I will be walking you through Python's Folium library, and step by step we will be plotting geographic data on an interactive map. So to begin with it, let's understand what is geospatial data. According to the definition of the internet, geospatial data is information recorded in conjunction with a geographic indicator of some type. So to put it in simple terms, geospatial data is any kind of data that provides you the features or the location of any geographic area. And one such type of data is the latitude and longitude, which we are going to be working with to make our first interactive map with Folium. So let's quickly have a look at what is latitude and longitude. So a long time ago, in the 3rd century BCE. Okay, who am I kidding? I can't do this. Let me just cut to the chase. So when people started to travel long distances over deserts and seas, they needed a way to fix their position. And for that matter, a global grid was developed which incorporated the latitude and longitude. So a latitude is the vertical line that you see on the screen that goes from 0 to 90 degrees top to bottom, whereas the longitude is the horizontal line that you see on the screen, which goes from 0 to 180 degrees. And together, the latitude and longitude simply tell you the position at any point in a sphere. So now let's talk about what is Folium. Folium is a Python library that helps you to visualize geographic coordinates on a leaflet map. And leaflet is simply a JavaScript library which helps you to make your maps interactive. So all in all, Folium brings together the flexibility of Python and the strength of JavaScript, which gives us an effective interactive map, which we're going to create right now. So let's go ahead and create our first interactive map. The very first thing that you need to begin plotting with Folium is installing and importing Folium. So let's just do that. Now that we have imported Folium, we can now begin to plot with the help of folium.map function. And to create a base map with Folium, you simply need to provide the base coordinates of a certain space. For example, let's head to Google Maps and pick up the base coordinates of Bangalore. And the way to pick up a coordinate from Google Maps is simply right-clicking and pressing on the first latitude and longitude that come up. It'll simply be copied to the clipboard and you can directly paste them within the location argument of the folium.map function. So let's first declare a variable, let's say m. And let's provide an argument location with the coordinates that we just picked up. And let's just run this and print out m. So now you see we have a map which is interactive and can zoom in and zoom out into any space that we want to wander off to. The next thing that we can look at is setting the right zoom level of this map. So let me just pick up the same map and set a zoom level. This can be done with the help of the zoom start argument. So let me say 15, and let me also call the m variable again. And now you'll see a more zoomed in version of the map that we were looking at. So the higher zoom value that we provide, the more zoomed in our map is, and the lesser zoom value that I'll be providing, for example, 4, the more zoomed out my map will be. And this is what a map looks like. You can zoom in and zoom out, play around with it, but you will notice that there are no markers of any sorts present here. So in our next video, we are going to be looking at how to add markers into our Folium map. And not just add markers, but also show information regarding a certain space and explicitly adding and removing those markers. So stay tuned to our next video. And until then, try to use Folium and see what else you can come up with.